Zanu PF, Tshabangu party pocket millions amid Zimbabwe's bleeding economy. The 3rd of September 2025. By a correspondent, Harare, while ordinary Zimbabweans struggle under soaring inflation and widespread poverty, government has disbursed massive sums of money to Zanu PF and the Sengizo Tshabangu Controlled Citizens Coalition for Change, CCC, under the Controversial Political Parties Finance Act. According to a government gazette published on September 2, 2025, Zanu PF will pocket ZWG 102,343,972.50 after securing 69.3% of the total vote in last year's disputed elections. The fractured CCC, now under Tshabangu following a bitter internal takeover, will receive ZWG 45,338,500 and 27.50 for its 30.7% share of the vote. Critics say the payout exposes the ruling elite's warped priorities, rewarding political elites while millions of citizens remain jobless, underpaid, and hungry. The move is also expected to intensify anger within opposition ranks, where Tshabangu's contested leadership has already split the party and left many supporters disillusioned. Observers note that instead of channeling scarce resources into collapsing hospitals, unpaid civil servants, or a crumbling education system, the regime has opted to strengthen entrenched political structures that have failed to address the national crisis. This is blood money being shared by politicians while the nation burns, one political analyst said.